Welcome back to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find this helpful. Planning for retirement can feel daunting, especially when it comes to figuring out just how much money you'll need. Fortunately, there are tools available to help you estimate your retirement needs, like the Retirement Nest Egg Calculator provided by FuturePlan. This tool can assist you in projecting your savings needs for a comfortable retirement. Located at futurePlan.com/resources/calculators/retirement-nest-egg-calculator, it offers a convenient way to explore different scenarios. This calculator considers several key factors to provide a personalized estimate. You'll input information like your current age, anticipated retirement age, desired annual retirement income, and current retirement savings. The calculator also takes into account factors such as life expectancy and estimated investment growth rates. By adjusting these variables, you can gain a clearer understanding of how different factors impact your retirement savings goal. While the calculator offers a valuable starting point, it's important to remember that it's just an estimate. The actual amount you'll need for retirement can vary based on a multitude of factors, including unexpected expenses, inflation, changes in your lifestyle, and market fluctuations. Consulting with a qualified financial advisor is highly recommended to develop a comprehensive retirement plan tailored to your individual circumstances. They can help you navigate the complexities of retirement planning and ensure you're on track to achieve your financial goals. The FuturePlan Retirement Nest Egg Calculator is a useful tool for anyone beginning the retirement planning process. It allows you to visualize the relationship between your current savings, future contributions, and desired retirement income. Remember, starting early and consistently contributing to your retirement savings are crucial steps toward securing a comfortable future. Explore the calculator today and start envisioning your ideal retirement. Using resources like this calculator, combined with professional financial advice, can empower you to take control of your financial future. So head over to futureplan.com/resources/calculators/retirement-nest-egg-calculator and begin planning your journey to a financially secure retirement.